Hello guys, how are you? Today we're gonna see a new video in which I'm gonna talk about the new trend styles that Kittl just released a couple days ago in a YouTube video. And for this, I'm gonna show you a gem I created with these styles that are like 20 styles, and then I'm gonna show you a fresh niche that I found that I think is gonna explode.
Wow.
And I'm gonna create the designs with this new Kittl design trends, and we'll see what we get as results. Okay, let's start with the Kittl video. I'm gonna put here a little bit.
If you find yourself searching for a specific design style but have no idea what to type into Pinterest or Google, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 20 searchable style names that you've probably seen, you just didn't know what to call it. And I've done this 2 other times and you all seem to really get value from it, so let's keep this thing going. Don't forget to like and save this video for your reference later, or you can copy down the names so that you can search them afterwards. Let's start with a fun one called Rubber Hose Design.
Well, basically, he's gonna show new design trends that I hear that are these ones: rubber hose design, romanticize, chinoiserie, risograph and risoprint, diesel punk, etc. I'm gonna leave this link in the description so that you can see the whole video. But for this video, I already created my gem that is here. New Kittl Art Styles 2026, and it has all the art styles. Here they are with a description for each. This is how I use it to create my gems. Let me find it. Where it is? Here it is. You see, if you don't know how to create a gem with art styles, please click here in this link or in the video at the end, and you will see how I have a couple of videos where I explain how you can create these gems and start creating awesome new designs. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my secret niche that we're gonna use.
Secret niche Chachan.
This week, if you are a fan of dinosaurs, but if you don't, never mind. They discovered a new dinosaur called Spinosaurus mirabilis. If you go into Google Trends and put it here, you'll see this. There's a huge spike from nothing. They haven't discovered it to they discover it. If we go to merge and put the new dinosaur, there are results, but very little. 213 results. And I think they are all new. Let me see. They are all new. You see, 20 February, 21, all new. Let's see, we have sales. No, I don't think, no sales. I think this is only one person that saw the same news and started creating designs. I think this is gonna explode because there's a huge fan base for dinosaurs. Imagine if you discover a new one. Okay, if we go to Twitter and put the same Spinosaurus mirabilis, we start seeing, for example, this post 178k views, and it's going kind of viral. In the science, new science alert. You see, we describe a new African dinosaur species created with a unique cranial crest, Spinosaurus mirabilis. Okay, you can go and make a deep search of this. You can even go to Gemini and ask for more information, etc. This I like this photograph. I'm gonna save this because it can help us in our designs. Okay, let's see if our new Kittl trends work for this new niche. Okay, I'm gonna put here the new dinosaur. Pause. Include name. Pause. Let's see. We put that here pro, and we put this reference. Hopefully we get good results. Now we're gonna have new prompts to create direct the new t-shirt designs with these new 20 Kittl trends. This is the first time I'm using this new gem, so let's see if it works. Maybe it gives awful results. Okay, here we go. This is the part that I love. We copy here and we go to start generating our designs. Okay,
I'm gonna copy this.
remember you have to put create image and pro. This is with the paid plan because fast doesn't create as good results as pro. Okay, the time of the truth. Let's see our results. Okay, this is kind of weird. Okay, that is the first one. I like it, but the dinosaur is kind of weird. Okay, this I like, but let's say design cover solid black background. This also works. It's missing the horn here, but you can add it afterwards in the Photoshop. This is a good this style I think is called risograph or risograph. This is kind of a minimal one. Maybe it works. There are people that like minimal. Aha, this is awesome. I like this one. But I think I'm gonna fix here the horn, but because it has only one horn here, that is the distinctive characteristic of the dinosaur. That's why it is called Spinosaur. Okay, I'm gonna ask him, give me 5 more. We have, I think, do I like this? I want. Oh no, didn't work. But perfects. Okay, let's leave it there. Okay, we have 5 more here. Diesel pack. I think this is gonna be good. The image pro token surveillance.
Let's win on the last.
Okay, type of truth. Okay, this is funny, but okay, I'm gonna download and I will have to add here the spine. This is more for kids, but kids love dinosaurs. So, okay, this is more like a steampunk. Okay, I like it. Let's download. Okay, this is awesome. Wow, this is more like a techie modern design. I don't know why it's not adding the horn, but I can add it easily in Photoshop. Okay, this is a risograph. Okay, it's nice, interesting style. And this is more like a kit core. Okay, awesome. Next, what I will do, I will go down to my results, for example here, and will try to fix them if I can with the core, and delete this icon of Gemini, and prepare them for upload and get ready to get sales. I think this niche is gonna explode really, but perhaps it doesn't. I don't know. Don't blame me. Here, let's see if we add a horn. In Photoshop, you have the option now to generate fill. Horn. Dinosaur horn. Let's see. Hopefully it works. I think it's nice. It worked. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Here the same. You do the same. I'm gonna erase the icon at the horn. Generate a fill. Dinosaur horn. Okay. I don't know. Well, I will continue to get the best result for the horn. I hope you like this new video. Please check the video of Kittl and investigate the new art styles, and investigate this new dinosaur, Spinosaurus mirabilis. I think it's gonna get hot, but I don't know. This is a new trend that you can put the word now. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.